Meet Nuvio ImageO, the smart way to process images in bulk. Simply choose your source folder and select where you want to save the output. Want AI-powered enhancements? Turn on AI Optimize. Or just convert your raw images in one click. Click Start Processing and let ImageO do the work. You can pause or cancel anytime. Watch real-time previews with before and after results. And yes, you're free to multitask. Grab a coffee, take a break. ImageO keeps working for you. Unlock advanced features with your license, or even connect your own AI API key for professional use. Track your remaining credits and purchase more anytime. When processing is complete, view detailed logs for every image, status, success, and performance all in one place. Access your online dashboard to manage credits, review logs, and download the application, anytime, anywhere. With Nuvio ImageO's Smart AI, you can assign a unique enhancement prompt to every folder. Nuvio ImageO, turn black and white photos into vibrant color. Restore old memories. Make photos look natural and candid. Change backgrounds instantly. Add birthday, holiday, and celebration themes. Enhance facial features subtly. Smooth skin, brighten eyes, and refine details, all while keeping it natural. With Nuvio ImageO, photographers, businesses, and personal users can process thousands of photos in minutes, saving hours and days of manual work.